Alright guys, so I'm gonna put a couple clips in of a few things that I've made throughout my time at my new job and just pictures and stuff. So let me know what you guys think. It's gonna be a short little clip or something. I just wanted to post something. I know some people messaged me when I posted on Instagram yesterday about my hair. It's actually shorter now. I actually cut more of it off. So yeah, it's almost all gone. I don't like it, but it is what it is. Now it's even. I can grow it all evenly out. But yeah, there's a few things that I made and stuff. A bunch of other stuff. Just these are certain things I took pictures of, and I love it. I love what I'm doing now, and I wouldn't change it. So hope you guys enjoy them clips. I'm in the kitchen. I'm getting right back to work and stuff. But yeah, thank you guys for supporting me and stuff. There will be more content coming soon on the S10 and the Accord. More to some stuff. Just waiting on parts to come in. Like I said, my main focus ain't on the S10 or the Accord because I'm trying to get a place. We're probably going to end up keeping the Accord, so we'll see. But yeah, check out these clips. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy those clips of a few things. Maybe I'll make a video on like some cooking stuff later on, things like that, when we have some spare time at work, or even when I do stuff at home. I do a lot of cooking at home, so now I'm doing a lot more now at work, which is great. I like it. I'm not complaining. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy that. Those clips, and probably made y'all's mouth water and everything, making y'all hungry and stuff. I'm hungry too. I'm on a break, about to make some food for me to eat, and yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed this, and will continue supporting me along my journey. We're trying to build my channel, build my cars along with my family and everything. So appreciate you guys. You guys are real OGs and ones that are sticking around. So like always, please like, comment, subscribe, share, hit that notification button so y'all get notified when we post. We'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.